This hard drive came out of my brother's laptop, and the problem was that the laptop wasn't booting. So when he took it to the IT specialist, they told him that the hard drive was dead. There's nothing they can do. The only solution was to actually replace the hard drive. So in this video, I want to see just how dead this hard drive actually is. The drive is a Western Digital Scorpio Blue 320GB hard disk drive, and since it's 2.5 inches, I can use this enclosure that I already have. The advantage is that you're capable of USB 3.0. I decided to plug it into my Windows PC first. As you can see, it took a long time before it finally got recognized. And even then it started giving a whole bunch of errors. Eventually the whole PC just froze. I thought I could use a disk part to clean up the disk, but even that gave problems. As you can see, the disk part command is not showing up. And even disk management is having a problem recognizing it. Next, I decided to try it on my Linux laptop. It seemed to be recognized quite quickly, and even the drive partitions showed up. And it seems the hard drive is not as dead as I thought it was, because all of the files and folders seem to be there. So I wonder what the real problem actually was. When I go into the disk utility, it appears there, and all of the partitions are present, including the boot partition and the recovery partition. I decided to use the test disk utility that Linux offers. Be careful not to select the wrong disk when you're doing this. As you can see, there are many options available. Since I already know the disk can be read, I'm not going to actually go through the whole testing process. Since there was no need to actually recover the data, I decided that maybe I should just format the disk and wipe it clean. But when I tried to delete one of the partitions, I got an error. It seems as though partition table was corrupted, and that's what was actually causing disk failure. Just to be safe, I decided to format it without actually creating any partitions. I'll do it in the next step. And just like that, disk seems to have been reset. I plugged the hard drive back into my Windows machine and I decided to format it there. Since I'm going to be using it most on that machine, I want it in the NTFS format. Since it doesn't have any partitions, I have to go first into the disk management and create the partitions over there. Everything seems pretty straightforward and it's not giving any errors like it did last time. The partition was successfully created and it appears, the folder appears, and it's properly recognized. Now I can actually go ahead and create and actually format the disk. I did a quick format since it's going to be for personal use. I'm not going to be giving this to anybody, so I don't have to worry about confidential information on it. Everything seems fine, but I decided to do a scan just in case. So it seems ultimately there wasn't actually anything serious wrong with the drive. It was just logical errors, and I'm guessing that the IT technicians probably also thought it would be too much hassle to try and recover it than to just replace the drive.